What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. And today in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a cover art on your phone. Yes, I said it, man, on your phone. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. You already know the vibes. Smash that like button, man. We going crazy, man. We've been going crazy on the past few videos, so let's keep it up, man. I appreciate all my supporters. But without further ado, man, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm gonna have to voice over because this app is tripping right now. But I'm gonna click on PixArt and back out and click on that little thing on the bottom, and then I scroll to the bottom and I figure out my background I'm finna use. And in this video, I'm gonna use a baby blue background. And in the sticker feature, you can find anything. You can find anything you're looking for, from a Benz to a car, city background, Nike icons, holographics, lightning effects. You can find whatever you want just by searching for it. Parental advisory, YouTube icon, you know, it goes on and on. But in this video, I'm about to just be like, you know, using little pieces and parts of stickers to make one nice, cool little cover art. So I looked up square and I found me a little square. Now what I'm about to do with it, I'm about to use this basically just to, like, you know, have my cover art looking professional, you feel me? So I threw my shadow on there and I fixed it around with the positioning feature, and I just got that right. That didn't take long. Remember, I am doing a voiceover, so if I sound a little delayed, my bad. And what I do next is I'm pretty sure I'm finna get a city background. Yeah, I'm finna look up a city background to like make a cool cover art. I wouldn't say it takes time. It's just like what you really need to figure out is what you gonna do with your cover art. Like, you can look up anything. Like, you can make any type of cover art. You can make like a you know, you can I don't even know I don't even know what to say, man. But just be creative, you feel me? Use your imagination and you should come out with something decent, you feel me? You can I also recommend look up album covers on like Google and all that, to, like, you know, just to see other people's cover arts, to see, you know, maybe you might want to take something off of it. But what I did here is I just added a little city background, and I looked up a car and I just added a car in front of the city to give it that like driving away effect. I'm glad this background had like a road on it, so this picture can look like realistic. As y'all can see, it looks like realistic and dope. So just make sure your stickers go together and you should be good. And like I said, you know, just use your creativity and your imagination, and, you know, something's gonna come out. What I'm doing here is I'm getting the letters, and I'm just basically, you know, putting my name, and I'm finna I'm pretty sure I throw a stroke on there to have it look all bold and dope and give it that more realistic feeling, as well as throwing on the shadow effect. So I got that shadow effect on there, have it looking all, you know, so it won't look all low quality. At least get your quality right, man. Get your quality right. You can't be out here, you know. But I'm gonna name the song a lot. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this cover art for like a visual. But so just stay tuned. Y'all might see one of this over one of my songs. But yeah, I'm just editing it here, and I'm gonna speed it up a little bit right here. All right, so now that I got mostly everything done, what I'm doing here is using the effect feature, and basically what that does is it allows me to affect the whole picture so it can all look one. So if the stickers look out of place or like you know like look photoshopped, then the effect will like blend everything. So yeah, I just use that one at the end so everything can look like each other, look one. But yeah, that is gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all like the video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curtybo in this thing. Curtybo out. Peace.